This 2019 Ford Transit van is brought to you by One Stop Auto Mall. Air conditioning, power steering, power windows, power mirrors, power driver seat, clock, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, keyless entry, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, cloth interior surface, auxiliary audio input, center armrest, cup holders, overhead console, reverse camera, roll stability control, side curtain airbags, tire pressure monitor, tow hooks. Contact Alan, tap at 602-300-2878 or 1stopautomall.com for more information. Visit us at az1stopautomall.b12soft.com.